I'm meeting my buddies out on the lake. We're headed out to a special place we love that just a few folks know. There's no signing up, no monthly dues. Take your Johnson, your Mercury, or your Evan Root and fire it up. Beat us out at Party Cove. Come on in, the water's fine. Just idle on over and toss us a line. Fast tractors, mail liners, and a party barge strung together like a floating trailer park. Anchored out and getting loud all summer long.
Tonight I am Nantucket bound. We took on diesel back in Montauk yesterday. Left this morning from the Bell and Gardner's Bay. Like all the locals here, I've had to sell my home. Too proud to leave, I worked my fingers to the bone so I could own my Downeaster Alexa. And I go where the ocean is deep. There are giants out there in the canyons, and a good captain can fall asleep.
Alex, what are you about to do? I'm about to fucking jump into fucking shark-infested waters. We got 2 Makos today. We got chum out in the water. We got fucking lines out in the water. And I lost a fucking game of odds. If you ask me, this game is pretty goddamn dumb. Not really 100% sure why I decided to play it. I was feeling pretty cocky after the last game when I didn't have to stick my balls on a shark's fucking nose. However, God has not dealt me the hand that I really needed. So, I guess, fuck it. I don't even know what to say. How you feeling? Feel pretty goddamn good, not gonna lie. I hit the chum bucket. Kinda hurts a little bit. I also immediately thought it was a shark. And yeah, no, I almost shit myself.
Another manic Monday, praying for the week to go by. While Jimmy's at the golf course, smoking on a Cuban delight. Now Monday, we all got to make it, yeah. But right now I could use a vacation. I wish it was Sunday, Monday. A Monday to Monday, Sunday, Monday. I wish it was Sunday, Monday. A Monday to Monday, Sunday, Monday. Another torture Tuesday. I cannot seem to open my eyes. Susie's at the day spa, getting ready for Jimmy tonight. Yeah. Now Monday, we all got to make it, yeah. But right now I just need the vacation. I wish it was Sunday, Monday. A Monday to Monday, Sunday, Monday. To make it, yeah. But every day should be a vacation. I wish it was